Are you looking for the best tape measures in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tape measures that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the STANLEY FATMAX tape measure. The STANLEY Tools 25-foot by 1-inch measuring tape is our best choice for the top tape measure around. The 1-inch width ensures clear reading, and its 25-foot distance length is ample for a variety of large jobs. The chrome, high-impact ABS case is ideal for surviving the hazards of the worksite and is more durable than a metal tape measure, while the blade's polyester coating ensures longevity. Reliability is also prevalent, with a blade lock that guarantees zero creeping to provide accurate measurements and readings regardless of the task. And the reliability doesn't stop there. Its corrosion-resistant true end hook is stable and capable of gripping close or distant surfaces with ease, although it's not a dual hook for 360-degree measurements. Up next in the 4th place is the Kutir easy-to-read 25-foot measure tape measure. Boasting a massive 7-foot standout, Kutir easy-to-read 25-foot measuring tape measure is another excellent option that's not too expensive even for domestic use, but also not too cheap you don't trust its quality. With it, you get a robust tape measure prepared for even the most hazardous environments, thanks to a shock-absorbent casing and strong, but also comfortable wrist strap to make sure you don't leave it behind. The magnetic hook is perfect for getting the right measurements every single time, and it's so strong you may struggle with releasing it if you're not prepared. And the powerful thumb lock ensures further precision with multiple inch increments for a variety of applications. The 3rd product on our list is the Komelon self-lock 25-foot power tape measure. If you're looking for excellent value, the Komelon self-lock 25-foot power tape is a top option for the best tape measure around. It masters that sometimes tricky balance and combination between inexpensive and effective, and provides accurate reliability for both professional and at-home situations. With a self-locking mechanism, it delivers smooth blade extension instead of the staggered struggles older, lesser tape measures provide. This is convenient and ideal for smaller jobs, and gives you something you should now in the 21st century at least expect all tape measures to do. The nylon-coated blade is the perfect solution for ensuring long life and rust resistance, and its impact-resistant casing prevents both external and internal damage. Second on our list is the Klein Tools 30-foot double-hook magnetic tape measure. The Klein Tools 30-foot double-hook magnetic tape measure is one of the longest we've selected and boasts a hugely reliable stand out of 9 1/12 feet. It also comes with bold line markings which make the most of the wide blade being both uncluttered and easy to read. Yes, even at a distance. At the end, the dual-angle magnetic hooks are corrosion-resistant and attach steadily to a variety of metal clips, edges, and steel studs to make measuring easier than ever, although it may obstruct in a few situations. The size makes it perfect for construction sites, but is also useful for substantial home improvement projects. To guarantee ease of use and safety, the retraction speed brake prevents caught fingers. Finally, the top product on our list is the EDH 16 feet digital tape measure. For those who need unrivaled precision, the EDH 16 feet digital tape measure is our premium pick, and while it's not as high-tech as a laser tape measure, for traditional blade-based options, it's the most accurate tape measure you can find. Traditionalists shouldn't be put off by its digital operation. It's simple to use with an easily readable LCD screen that shows you the measurements right in your hand. It eliminates the frustration with creeping you sometimes get from manual tape measures in both professional and DIY situations. The tape deployment is fast and effective, and with the option to switch between inches, feet and inches and metric measurements, provides versatile readings for both large and small jobs. And that's all for now, I hope. to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.